Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a straightforward guide on how to transfer ETH from Binance to OKX in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, knowing how to move your assets securely is more important than ever. Whether you're looking to diversify your holdings or switch exchanges, this step-by-step walkthrough will get you there without any hassle. First off, make sure you have verified accounts on both Binance and OKX, and that your ETH is readily available in your Binance wallet. Security is key, so enable two-factor authentication on both platforms before you start. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Log into your Binance account and navigate to the Wallet section. Select ETH from your asset list to begin. Step 2. Click on the Withdraw button. Here, you'll need to paste your OKX wallet address. Double-check it to avoid any costly mistakes. You can find your OKX address by logging into OKX and going to your wallet overview. Step 3. Enter the amount of ETH you want to transfer. Keep in mind any withdrawal fees or minimum limits that Binance might have. Always check the current rates to avoid surprises. Step 4. Review the details, confirm the transaction, and complete any required 2FA verification. Once submitted, the transfer will process on the Ethereum network, which typically takes a few minutes but can vary based on network congestion. A quick word of advice. In 2025, with potential updates to blockchain tech, always monitor gas fees and use reputable networks. After the transfer, log back into OKX to confirm your ETH has arrived. And that's it, you've successfully moved your assets. If this helped you out, hit that like button. Subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and stay savvy with your investments.